Terrans, to the wonders of Xandar. I am World Mind, sentient supercomputer of Xandar. I hold the knowledge, memory, and experiences of all Xandarian citizens, past and present. This gives me extensive knowledge, yet I am constantly learning, and I am now learning about you and your planet, Terra. Much of my knowledge of your world came from your great scholar, Peter Quill. However, many of his facts have yet to be confirmed, such as the incredible importance of a legend called Footloose. Through my fellow Xandarians working here at the Wonders of Xandar, I am discovering more about you Terrans, such as your fascination with eating the turkey leg. Why only the leg? What about the rest of this creature? We are eager to learn the answers to these questions and so much more about your world. In return, we Xandarians hope to share with you more about ours. Although Xandar is 2.537 million light years away from your planet Terra, our worlds are actually quite similar, and began at precisely the same moment. We refer to this as Time Zero, before the existence of anything. Our worlds were born of a single point of matter and energy that blasted outward in what you Terrans refer to as the Big Bang. And from nothing came the beginning of everything. Incredibly hot and extraordinarily powerful, this explosion filled the cosmos with a cloud of rapidly moving particles. Over the next 100 million years, space continued to expand, and the particles cooled and slowed. As they coalesced into huge swirling clouds, gravity pulled them into larger, denser clusters. At the heart of these clusters, the temperature rose, and the particles were compressed so tightly they fused, releasing enormous amounts of heat and light. This is how the very first stars in our shared universe were born. The singularity is just one of the commonalities between our two worlds that we will explore today. Welcome, Terrans, to the Wonders of Xandar.
It's not often one gets to interview the most dangerous woman in the galaxy. Welcome, Gamora. Wait, who called me? Peter Quill. You mean Starlight? Oh, I was told he hates that. Oh, yeah, he does. He really hates me. So how did you Guardians end up teaming up with the Ravagers? They normally only work for themselves. Well, you like him. And was that part of Peter Quill's plan? You mean the plan that didn't go according to plan? We were completely outnumbered. In the end, though, we were able to defeat the Road Crew. But we couldn't have done it without Quill.
That's right.
And here he is now. Peter Quill. What did you have to say about this?
I guess, it was really a group effort to execute my plan. Thank you.
I'm excited because you told me to. I would love to hear more about how Tim was chosen for this Wonders of Xandar tour.
Well, that was totally my idea. And that too, because I love that place. It's awesome. I went there as a kid, and I cannot wait to get to go back and ride Horizons. I also want to see the energy, dinosaurs, and, of course, hear the Benji fruit food. That's the best.
Okay, well, I'm sure it will be wonderful for you to relive all of those memories. And it's thanks to the Guardians that Walt is reaching out to other cultures.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayal, commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of Epcot. Epcoters. Epcotians. Citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves?
People.
What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on.
People.
Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. Okay. Stand by for teleportation. Here we go. You made it. I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
Excellent. What you see before you is the Cosmic Generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activating it so you can experience for yourself what's happening.
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the Cosmic Generator is gone.
Cheerio, Mark. Go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the Guardians. Now.
There is no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova Corps?
Our Cosmic Generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
Why didn't we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
That is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
I have been watching Terrans for eons.
That's not creepy at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa. We didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the Cosmic Generator. He's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
Not where. When?
It's some kind of mutant jump point.
He's going back to the dawn of time.
Why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean it's so vague?
The jump point is closing.
Hey, Nova Dude, you Nova Corps need to follow that whatever it is until we get there.
We can't. Our power is down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. I reprogrammed the shuttles to follow through the jump point.
Wait, what?
Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the cosmic generator back. Piece of cake.
Wait!
There's Kate. Where's the escape?
The odds are impossible,
Yep.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. You got this.
We're all toast.
First it was cake, now there is toast. This plan is making me so hungry.
Terrence, listen up. You need to make your way to the evacuation shuttles now.
Okay, they're headed for the jump point. This plan is never gonna work.
Rocket!
Well,
Okay, I've walked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you are likely doomed.
Drax!
Good luck.
It was useless to follow me. What is that noise?
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have you done?
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
The Big Bang!
Generator is the only way back.
We got the generator.
We're here! It's about time! Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention? We have him contained, but not for long.
You're all heroes.
Do you really think they deserve to be called heroes? And do you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
You are lying to them. Now I understand.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy!
What's up, guys? It's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. Thanks for watching our video of Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. Today is opening day. I got up at 7 a.m. and I went to do the virtual queue and I missed it. I was so upset, but if you come to Epcot, you have a reservation and you come at 1 p.m., you can try once again for the virtual queue if there is any availability left, and you can try an attempt to get on it for yourself, and I was luckily able to, thankfully. Honestly, this might beat out Flight of Passage for me, which ends up being my number 2, just under Rise of the Resistance at Hollywood Studios. The most liked comment on our previous video comes once again from Carlos Morales. He says, "These are amazing," referring to the video, and he said he's making an updated playlist with some of our videos from Universal Orlando Resort. And if you want to plan your vacation without the headache, go ahead and contact our friend RJ. All of his information is in the link of the description of this video. Honestly, thank you guys so much for always liking, watching, and commenting. The most liked comment on this video gets featured on our next. Definitely comment what your favorite ride is at Walt Disney World. If you did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.